Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about some common inspection issues that you may see if you get home insurance and the insurance company comes to inspect your property. Another thing that we see, it seems minor, but we see it often, and this has happened to me before, but have you ever noticed weeds growing in your gutter? Well, it may not sound like that big of a deal, but if an insurance carrier sends someone out to do an inspection and they see weeds in your gutters, they're probably going to send a little memo to you telling you to take care of the weeds in the gutters. It's just a maintenance issue that they want addressed. So another thing that we see a lot is people that have pools. If they have a fence, a lot of carriers want to make sure that you have a locking gate on that fence that is around the pool. So if you don't have a locking gate or just a gate that is up that can be latched and secured, that's probably something that you're going to get a note on or a memo that you need to address that to make sure that you can continue your coverage with the carrier without having any disruptions. Another thing we see is if you have a dog, maybe you forgot to disclose that, but almost every time that an insurance inspector goes out to look at a property on home insurance and they see a dog or hear a dog, they're going to note it on that inspection report, and they're going to want you to respond to it to let them know what kind of dog it is, to make sure it's not one of the breeds that has a bite history. So just make sure if you have dogs that you disclose that and the kind of breed it is, just to make sure you don't have any issues. And something else that really, it seems minor, but it's something that when they come out to do an inspection, if they see a lot of clutter on the property, not necessarily saying it's garbage or anything like that, but if there's kind of a lot of stuff laying around the house, they're usually going to want you to kind of pick it up, tidy it up. Then you have to usually send pictures that you've done that. And just to sum it all up, if there's anything on your house that needs some attention, whether or not you have like a gutter that's hanging down, maybe there's a piece of broken glass in one of the windows, just little minor things. If you could, just before you get your new policy and have that inspection, if you could address those, because there's a good chance that those insurance companies, when they come out and they see it, they're going to want you to make sure those little items are taken care of before a certain period of time in order for you to continue your coverage with them. So just again, most of this is just housekeeping, maintenance type stuff, but it could save you some headache instead of having to go back and forth with the insurance company talking about getting this done, that done, because of what you end up having to do is you end up having to get it fixed and you have to send pictures and they have to approve it in order to release those memos to make sure that your coverage stays in force. So this is just to kind of help you make sure that you don't have any disruption in your insurance and just kind of eliminate your headache. So I hope this helps you guys out. If you are looking at getting home insurance, just some things to make sure you take care of before you take that new policy.